Recent reports about the success rates of a COVID-19 vaccine developed by Pfizer and another one by Moderna Pharmaceuticals are bringing happy hopes to people. But is the end of the pandemic in sight? A working vaccine is definitely good news in our battle against the novel coronavirus, but it isn't a one-stop solution to the pandemic. These vaccines contain genetic instructions on how to make a spike protein that is present on the outside of the virus. Human cells then manufacture copies of the spike protein for the human immune system to respond to. Having recognized and remembered what the virus's outer parts look like, the immune system should then be able to quickly respond to the real virus in the future. The Pfizer vaccine uses a relatively new method. It uses mRNA, which is a type of genetic material, to deliver the genetic instructions to the host cells. The trials of this vaccine have shown that it has an efficacy of 95%. Do you understand what efficacy means? Efficacy is the ability to produce the desired result. So a vaccine with a 95% efficacy can safeguard 95% of the people who take it against COVID-19. There is still a long way to go, however, for the world to be able to take a sigh of relief. A lot of data that is revealed in trials may not necessarily translate to the same in real-world situations. Also, it is yet unknown if the Pfizer vaccine can prevent people from transmitting an infection. Another unknown with the new COVID-19 vaccines being made is how long they offer immunity till. Since researchers have only had a short period of time to experiment with the virus and vaccines, there is a lot of uncertainty. Did you know? There are some humans that just don't produce the expected immune response to certain vaccines. There is no known reason for this. Even regularly used vaccines against other diseases that people use around the world have reported such cases where the vaccine was not able to provide immunity. Other front-running vaccines are those being developed by Valneva and AstraZeneca. For what is known about SARS-CoV-2, it's clear that at least 70% of the population will need to have a strong and lasting immune response for the virus to die out altogether. From the current estimate that each vaccine developer has released, if all 4 frontrunners produce working vaccines in 2021, there will still be a large gap between the vaccines available and the world's population.